Alright guys, it is day 18 of me cleaning every single day until I become a clean girl. I literally cannot talk, you guys. I'm literally so sick, but I really wanted to film a video for you guys because even if I'm sick, I still wanted to get a video out for you guys. So if you guys are new to my channel and you guys are like, what is wrong with this girl's voice? I'm literally sick. So please subscribe if you guys haven't already. I've been cleaning every single day in January and I'm gonna keep doing it until we get to 30 days of me cleaning to become a clean girl. So today's video is actually me doing a little Sunday reset. Technically today is actually Saturday, but when you guys watch this video, it's gonna be Sunday. So I want you guys to get motivated and clean your house with me and just reset it for the week. I think I wanna do a reset every Saturday so we can have a Sunday video up for you guys. Guys, I can't handle myself talking like this. This is the worst voice ever. I would never listen to anyone with this voice. So today's video isn't gonna be much of me talking because I literally cannot talk. So I'm sorry about that, but I am really excited. Matt comes home in 2 hours. So I'm gonna try to clean up as much of my house as I can in these 2 hours and then go pick him up at LAX. And then we're gonna keep cleaning once he's back. Wow, my voice is so gone. All right, let's go. Alright guys, Matt just texted me saying that he landed, so I'm gonna go grab him from LAX. But literally I did so much. I vacuumed, I also cleaned my kitchen, I started a laundry load. Today I really want to focus on cleaning all of the baby's stuff. Literally when I went home to Sacramento, my sister was like, you know, you kind of smell like a dog. And I was like, that is the most disgusting thing anyone could ever tell me. And she's like, not a bad dog smell, but like as if you own a dog smell. And I was like, that is the last thing I want to smell like. I want my house to smell like salt from Hearth and Hand at Target, from Magnolia. I do not want to smell like a dog. So Matt and I are really consistent about cleaning all the dog beds and stuff, but I really want to clean Zoe and Theo. I haven't given Zoe a bath in probably a month, so I think it's time because if I'm smelling like a dog, she definitely smells like a dog. But I'm so excited to see Matthew. Yay! Also, I cleaned the kitchen. Today is such a dark day. It's about to rain in LA, which we definitely need it because you guys know that the fires are still happening. So I'm super excited that it's gonna rain. All right, and it's so windy though. Yeah, I think it's gonna rain soon, hopefully. Alright guys, I've been home for an hour now. I was super excited to see Matthew at LAX and pick him up. He's so funny and so cute. Right now he's giving Zoe and Theo a little walk before their bath, and I did more laundry. I put more laundry in the washer and dryer, so I just want to start folding all of this laundry. This is old laundry that I did like a few days ago that I need to fold. I also made myself some tea, or actually Matthew made me some tea because I'm not really feeling well. My throat hurts so bad, and this has been the only thing that's helping me talk to you guys because I can't talk without it. Like, it hurts. I actually don't think I've ever filmed a video feeling sick before, so this is like a first, but let's just start folding. I also washed the doggy bed. That's like the big part of it. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, Mickey sent me a podcast, but it's pretty much about how to be okay with people not loving you or liking you. It's really good. I feel like I don't really care too much about what people think of me, but I think if I was on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being I really care about how much people like me and 1 being I don't give a fuck, I'm probably at like a 4 or a 5. Like, I think I'm right in the middle. I think I definitely care, but not so much that it actually interrupts my day or well-being. Very rarely will I ever let a bad comment affect me. And it's so interesting because when I'm listening to, she had an interview with Chrissy Teigen, and Chrissy Teigen, it's crippling to her because she can't go outside because she's so scared of interacting with someone and them not liking her. I thought that was really interesting. I would have never expected that about Chrissy Teigen, but also it's nice to see how like you shouldn't care. Anyways, let me start the podcast and keep cleaning. I realized when I showed you guys me first going through my living room, I didn't actually ever finish cleaning it, and in a little way, this is like me actually finishing everything up and cleaning everything. I don't know what happened, but I swear this shrunk. This used to fit around the crate, and I don't know if I'm not allowed to dry it, but it definitely is smaller than it's supposed to be because it normally fits this crate. This is another section I'm gonna tackle now. This is all of my PR stuff. I just leave it at the front of the house. I hate it. It looks like a mess. I'm not gonna open them today though, so I think I'm just gonna stack them to make them look a little bit cuter. Alright, so right now I'm taking a little break from cleaning my living room. I'm gonna make Zoe her meatballs. She's on a special diet of canned meatballs, but the meat is not a meatball. I have to turn it into little meatballs. So I have to make 12 of these. She gets 12 every single day, and she gets it every 6 hours. P.S. I'm not Italian, and maybe I'm really dumb for not knowing this, but the easiest way to make meatballs without getting your hands dirty is using 2 spoons. I was literally just rolling it in between my hands. My hands were getting really gross. This is much easier. Pretty much scoop a tablespoon out like that. Use my other spoon, scoop it out, make sure it's really nice and hard. So she has to eat these in meatball shapes because we don't want her throat closing up. Feels like my throat is gonna close up. I can barely talk. But pretty much the reason why we're doing this is because she had a foreign body in her esophagus, and we don't want her esophagus to close up because it's so raw. Like, think about having 2 scabs, and if you push your 2 scabs together and waited like 8 hours, they would stick together and it would be really painful to pull apart. Pretty much her esophagus wants to heal by closing itself up, so every 6 hours we have to literally feed her and make sure her esophagus doesn't close. Just so scary to think about. Anyways, Zoe is now officially banned from having any bones for the rest of her life. I feel so bad for that girl, but I don't at the same time because I spent $9,000 to fix her. All right, here's what Zoe's little meatballs look like. They're about this big, and it's so when she swallows it, a lot of it stays together and hopefully expands her little esophagus. Here we have Zoe. All right, here's Zoe. Excited for your meal? You excited? You're so cute and you're so expensive, my baby. You my baby. Oh, she's so excited for the food. Okay, I feel like I'm teasing her. Let me feed her. Take a meatball. You excited? Good girl. You're so cute. Fun fact, I've yet to meet a dog that knows more tricks than Zoe. So let's see if she can show you guys some of her tricks. Zoe, lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Circle. Good girl. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Zoe, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Zoe, you know this one. Why are you struggling? Zoe, sit. Circle. Roll over. Oh, good girl. Zoe, up. Good girl. Okay, no more. She knows more, but I feel like I'm teasing her, so I feel really bad. Like a good mama, I'm gonna let her lick the spoon. You wanna lick the spoon? Oh my goodness. Oh, good girl. Guys, look what I just found. Clear Blue sent me a bunch of tests. This is an ovulation test. This is an early pregnancy test. And this is another early pregnancy test. I'm kind of curious about this ovulation test. It is a digital one. I kind of want to take it tonight just for funsies. Supposedly, I'm supposed to be ovulating at this point or during this time of the month. We'll see if it's accurate. We'll see. I will take one tonight. I'm not going to tell you guys because that's just weird. If they work well, I will link these down below for you guys. If you guys need the Clear Blue digital ovulation test, I will link them below. You know what I realized, guys? I was wrong. I'm currently eating a cough drop. I feel like I'm talking funny. That's probably why. The blanket that I just put on top of Theo's was actually his inside blanket. This is his outside blanket, and this definitely will fit. I forget. I always forget which one goes inside and out. Yes, if you're wondering what these are literally curtain panels. These are the only things that are long enough to cover his crate because his crate is so big. And I feel like 60-inch blankets never do it justice. So if you guys have a big dog and you guys need to cover his crate with a blanket, highly recommend getting like an 8-foot curtain versus getting a blanket that's 8 foot long. That's probably very expensive. I don't even know if they make blankets that large. You got a little white crate and a black crate, and then I cover both their crates together under one giant blanket as well. So cute. Matt and I definitely want to move their crates. We just don't know where yet. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know. I have been wanting to do this forever. I want to shave my couch. This is a little fabric shaver, normally typically meant for sweaters, but my couch, one time I cleaned it with a little green machine, but like the giant version of it from Bissell, and for some reason it ruined a piece of my couch, probably because I was doing it so freaking hard. So ever since then, I've kind of hated the way my couch looked, but all I really needed was this thing. So let's do it. I will literally link this down below. It is the funnest thing ever that I own in my house, probably. I just don't have enough sweaters that ever pill, so I'm gonna do it to my couch. All right, here's what my couch looks like. Clearly pilling. It's not supposed to look like that. This is what it's supposed to look like. This, no bueno. So I'm gonna shave it. I just have a battery in here. Actually, let's do it this way. Oh yeah, okay. Do you guys see that? There is a little bit of a line of where there's no pilling. And just like that, she's back to being almost brand new. That is amazing. Now I'm curious to see how much actually collected in here because there is a collection. Ooh, whoa. That's how much got collected. Okay, I have a few other spots I can do this to, so I'm gonna do it really fast and then I'll show you guys. All right, this area is pretty bad as well, so let's do it. Alright guys, and just like that, my living room is nice and clean. I think my Sunday reset is officially done. So let me show you guys what we did. I cleaned both the dogs' crates. Then I cleaned the couches. My table is messy again because I have some oranges Matt made me. I really want to eat an orange, so I think I'll eat it now. Oh my god. That was so good. I'm so happy Matt is home. That means he gets to take care of me. But, okay, I didn't show you guys the rest. I cleaned the mirrors. I did all the laundry. I washed all the blankets. Some of them are still in the wash. Then I also cleaned the front of the house. It's a little dark in the front of the house, but these are all my boxes that I definitely need to open at some point. And then I cleaned this little area as well, which is like the little entryway mirror. However, no one ever enters my house through this front door. It's very rare that we'll have people enter this way. Then this is what the other half of my living room looks like. You can see that there is a little bit of a mess over here. This is actually all of my donation stuff. So once I have my entire house situated and have everything clean, I'm just gonna do one giant donation run. So that's what all this stuff is. We cleaned all the dog beds, and I realized the only thing I haven't cleaned yet are the dogs themselves. I told myself I would at least wash Zoe today, but honestly, I'm feeling really lethargic and tired. I just want to eat my oranges. Matt just made dinner for us as well. He made us a steak salad. All right, we have steak, some Spanish rice, lettuce, and cucumbers. All right, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would show you guys the kitchen as well, but Matthew is currently cooking in there, so it's a little bit messy, but he said that he's gonna clean it back up so it looks back to like however it did earlier, but you guys already saw it fully cleaned out. So right now I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, my voice hurts so bad, and hopefully I feel a lot better tomorrow because I definitely don't care to be sick and don't want to be sick. I just want to work. But thank you to everyone who has literally watched all 18 episodes of the cleaning series. If you guys have, please let me know know down below. Also, you guys already know there's a question of the day at the end of every single video. So today's question of the day is, did you guys enjoy today's vlog where it wasn't super chatty because literally my voice hurts, it hurts to talk? Or do you guys like the super chatty vlogs? I'm gonna try to edit this one to be more of like an aesthetic vlog versus a chatty vlog. So let me know what kind of videos you guys prefer. I don't know. I feel like this was really fun for me to film, more like aesthetic-y stuff, but I also really enjoy just chatting and talking to you guys as if I'm on FaceTime with you guys. So let me know what you guys prefer. It's okay if you guys prefer this over chatty, or if you guys prefer chatty over this. I get it. Everyone has their own opinions. All right, that is it. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I've been lost in you.